Turn on subtitles for better understanding. Judaism is the oldest of the three monotheistic religions, and it began with a small group of people who believed in one God in ancient times. These early people lived in the Middle East, and they followed leaders like Abraham, who taught them to trust one single God. The stories of these people were later written in sacred books that became the foundation of Jewish beliefs and traditions for centuries. Jewish life centered around family, rules, moral laws, and strong ideas about justice, kindness, and respect for the one God who guided them. Over time, the Jewish people faced many challenges, including wars and exile, but they kept their faith and continued to follow their traditions. A very important moment came when the Jewish people were taken away from their land, yet they still kept their beliefs alive in foreign places. They built communities in many regions, teaching their children the same stories and laws that shaped their identity and their faith. Judaism remained strong because it focused on learning, memory, and rituals that helped people stay connected to their ancient roots. Later, a new movement grew inside the Jewish world, centered around a teacher named Jesus, who lived in the land of ancient Judea. Jesus taught messages of love, forgiveness, and compassion, and many people followed him because his words felt simple and powerful. After his death, his followers believed he was chosen by God, and they began to share his teachings with many communities. This movement slowly separated from Judaism and became known as Christianity, a new religion with its own beliefs and stories. Christians believed Jesus was the Messiah promised in older texts, and they wrote new books to explain his life and message. These writings formed the New Testament, which Christians read together with the older Jewish texts that they also respected. Christianity spread quickly across the Roman Empire because many people found hope in its message of love, peace, and eternal life. Early Christians met in small houses, shared meals, and helped the poor, which made their communities warm and welcoming. Even when they faced danger or persecution, they continued to share their beliefs, and the religion kept growing steadily. Over time, Christianity became accepted by leaders, and it later became the main religion in many parts of Europe and the West. Churches were built, traditions developed, and Christian ideas influenced art, culture, and education for many centuries. Christianity also divided into different branches, each with its own practices, but all kept faith in one God and Jesus. Many years later, in the 7th century, a new monotheistic religion appeared in the Arabian Peninsula under the name Islam. Islam began with the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, who said he received messages from God through the angel Gabriel. These messages were collected in the Quran, the holy book of Islam, which guides Muslims in faith, behavior, and daily life. Islam teaches that there is only one God, called Allah in Arabic, and that people should live with justice, honesty, and compassion. Muslims pray several times a day, give to the poor, and fast during the month of Ramadan to strengthen discipline and faith. Islam spread quickly across the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Asia because its message was clear, simple, and unifying. Many people accepted Islam because it encouraged equality, community support, and strong, moral values for all believers. As Islam expanded, it created great centers of learning where scholars studied science, art, medicine, and philosophy deeply. These centers helped preserve ancient knowledge and produced new ideas that influenced many cultures across the world. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam all share the belief in one God, and they all began in the same region of the Middle East. They also share many stories, including figures like Abraham, Moses, and other prophets who appear in their sacred writings. Each religion has its own holy book, but many of the values inside them are similar, such as kindness, justice, and respect. All three religions teach that people should care for others, help the weak, and live with honesty and responsibility. They also teach that life has meaning and purpose, and that humans should try to follow the path that God has prepared. Even though they share roots, the three religions developed different traditions, rituals, and ways of understanding God. Judaism focuses strongly on law, memory, and community, with rituals that connect people to ancient history. Christianity centers on the life and message of Jesus, teaching love, forgiveness, and hope for eternal life. Islam emphasizes devotion to God through prayer, charity, and discipline, guiding daily life with clear moral rules. Throughout history, these three religions sometimes lived in peace together, sharing ideas and learning from one another. At other times they faced conflict, often because of politics or power, not because of their core spiritual values. Many leaders and thinkers work to build bridges and encourage dialogue between the three monotheistic faiths. They believed that people could understand each other better by learning about their histories and shared origins. Today, millions of people from each religion live around the world, practicing their faith in many different communities. They celebrate holidays, read their sacred books, and teach their children the traditions that have shaped their identity. In many places, people from different religions work and study together, building new connections and friendships. These relationships help show that respect and dialogue can create peace, even when people have different beliefs or ideas. The three religions continue to influence culture, art, ethics, and education in many countries across the world. They also inspire millions to live with compassion, courage, and hope, following the values taught by their ancient leaders. Understanding their history helps people see how deeply connected they are, even when their paths look very different. Together, these religions show how the belief in one God has shaped human life, guided societies, and inspired faith.